Welcome back to another Lady Boss Boost, your go-to 5-minute tip to grow your online business without the tech headaches. Today's boost, I'm going to show you a free software that you can use to create profile pictures that stand out online. Let's jump in. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you a very cool tool, absolutely free, called Profile Pic Maker. So we all know we got the profile pics on like TikTok or Facebook or Instagram, and you really want to have your profile picture pop out. So if you have branding colors or anything like that, you want people to like recognize that it's you just from looking at that tiny little circle with your head in it. Okay. So I found this tool so super cool. I've used it for most of my profile pictures now, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use it. So you go to PFP Maker. That's P as in Papa, F as in Foxtrot, P as in Papa, MAKER.com. PFPmaker.com. So it pops up to a screen just like this. You click on Upload Photo to upload a photo. Then you're going to pick your photo that you want to actually upload and turn into a profile pic. I'm going to pick, let's see, I want one with my face on it, just my face. So that's a terrible picture. Here we go. We'll use that one. That's a terrible picture too, but we'll use it anyways. So it's generating all the profile pictures, and it will put the picture with, okay, of course it didn't work. And there it is. Okay, so not the best picture because it looks like I'm leaning on something, because I am, but the other one didn't work for some reason. Now, if you have branding colors, you can put those branding colors here. You click this little droplet here, and then you hit RGB. So if you know your hex code of one of your colors, which I do, and I'm going to type that in here, and there's one of my branding colors. All right. So again, having it pop out like that. So then you just simply download it, and then boom, it's downloading that pic. You can choose a couple of them. Like I like this one too. So I'll download that one. I like this one. I'll download that one. And I kind of like this one too. But you see how it just pops out at you? So you can just choose a different color. I'll choose one of my other branding colors. And then we got the dark purple. So those look kind of nice. Like them. Like, what about this one? I'll download that one. So you can use them for different platforms if you want. All different kinds. And then they go into one similar like this, right? So these are kind of cool. So again, just something that's going to pop, something that's going to make people say, oh, that's you, and they can tell from either the color that's behind you, and it just makes your profile picture pop. So I just wanted to show you this. That's really all there is to it. You just go ahead and download it, and happy profile picturing. I'll see you on the next video. If you want to continue learning and growing together, watch this video that's coming up next, and I will see you over there.